take them. Yeah.
Guess what I got in here? A little baby. Him's little.
Look, Skippy.
Him's little Skippy. Him's a yellow baby mouse. You like him? Alright. Let's let this little guy out. He's ready and willing to go. Are you gonna go, bunny? Are you scared? You're like, oh no, I'm in the wilderness. Huh. Where'd he go? He's in the wilderness. He's down in here. Somewhere. Down in there. There he is. Oh. Okay, hope you have a good life. Don't come back into my office. Thank you. There's a blue jay. Oh my god. He's like knocking or something. So the blue jays have found my new bird feeder. Nothing else seemed to find it yet. Oh. How cool. That's so neat. I'm so excited. I don't even know why. That just made my day. Maybe I should lower it a little bit. Like put it down further. That was neat. Oh, he's back. Well, now that he knows it's there, I'm sure he's gonna keep on coming back. That's neat. Somebody has spotted the birds coming to the bird feeder now. Lady Gray Fox, you see them birds now? You see them birds? She's so cute.